Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Muhammad Fauzan Hafiz. I'm here to make a tutorial for making cilok, but with available ingredients, because I don't find garlic and leek, so I don't use it. I I think it's the important ingredient for the aromatic, but it's okay if there's no. You can make cilok too with this only remain ingredients. I will show you the ingredients that we need with to make the cilok, but with not use garlic and leek. So the first one is this is this is tapioca, or say flour, sagu flour, and this is terigu. It's like it's flour too. It's this uh, kind of flour. And the next is salt, and next is seasoning. I use the chicken seasoning, and the next is the pepper here. And don't forget to water and little bit oil. We use it for boiling. And for the tools, for the utensil we use is the first. There's a plate of course, and there's a pan too, and I use a container too for boiling the cilok here. And because I don't have a soap spoon, I use the spatula instead. And there's like this one, it's what is it? It's like a big bowl for the dog you want to make with your hand. And the first the first step to make cilok is, first I boil the water with the pan on the stove until it's boiled. And let's wait until it's boiled. Maybe I will pause the video until the water is boiled. Okay, the water is already boiled. You can see there's a bubble. Okay, you can turn off the stove, and we're gonna sit in the floor again. And the first, let's pour this flour into the big bowl here, and then you can wait a minute, add this lada. It's pepper, I forgot. Lada, you can add it. I think you can add all of this. Okay, and then add one, I think about 1 spoon of salt. Like this. Okay, and the next, this chicken seasoning. You can pour it 1 sachet of seasoning chicken. and then you can pour the hot water into the flour little by little like this, and you can stir it. I think the water is less. You can add again like this. You can stir it until the dough is looks good in the texture. Please, like this. You can pour all of the water, I think. Like this. You can stir it with a spoon, like me. Like this. Okay. Keep stir it until the dough looks ready, and the seasoning will spread in the dough. And after that you can add little bit the sagu or tapioca flour into the dough like this. You can stir it again. Like this. Okay, you can add it again. Like this. If the dough is not hot, you can use it with you can stir it with your hand, because it's a little much easier with the hand. Okay, you can add it again, because like this you can stir it again. Okay, maybe I will pause this video until the dough is ready. Okay everyone, it's look like the dough is almost finished, as you can see here. It's not sticky again, because I already add all of the tapioca flour, so it's easy to make it like circle shape like this. Okay, if the dough is ready and not sticky, you can make the dough with this shape like circle like this. I'm sorry, because my another hand is used for to hold the camera. I not do it like properly, maybe. Okay, like this. You can make the shape like this. Okay, I will pause again until I done. Okay everyone, I already make the dough to be shape circle shape, and I will show you. This is the cilok. It is circle. Oh yeah, I forgot to inform you the how many flour I use and how many tapioca I use, how many water I use. For the tapioca flour I use 250 gram. It's if it's count with the spoon, it's about 15 spoon of tapioca flour, and it's same is like tapioca flour and trigo flour. Okay, for the water I use, for the water is up to you. If you want the cilok like more like uh, like uh, like when you buy the cilok, it's like Kenyal, what does it mean? I forgot. You can add the water little bit when you start stir the dough and make it into the shape circle. Okay, after that, prepare your container, rice container. I use the rice container and fill it with the water. And we're gonna bikin apa? Okay everyone, and I already filled the rice container with water. The volume of water maybe it's about this volume. I will show you like this, and you can turn on the stove until the water is boiling and add about 1 spoon of oil to make the chiloks not stick with each other and it can destroy the shape of circle shape. So you can add it about 1 or 2 spoon of oil, because okay, maybe that's enough like that. Maybe I will just the back camera after this. Okay, if you think the water is already hot, you can put the cilok into the water like that. You want to add all of this. Stick to the plate. Okay, it's hard to remove it. Okay, just a little bit. Stick to the plate. Wait a minute. We can. Okay. Oh, the shape must be changed, but it's okay. I think you must shape in here and like this. One by one, like this. Okay, the water is already boiling and the cilok is already floating into floating in the water. So if you want to know that the cilok is already cooked or not, is if the cilok is already floating, and you can maybe wait until 3 minutes or 2 minutes to make sure the cilok already cooked. You can take one of the cilok and slash it if the in the deep inside the cilok is already the dough already cooked or not. But I will wait maybe 3 or 2 minutes again until make sure the cilok already cooked. Okay, maybe I will check one of the cilok like this. You can put into the plate and look with your spoon if it already cooked or not. Okay, if you see, you can see here it's already cooked, so it's ready to be served and you can take it from the rice container. Okay, I already turned off the stove and I will take the cilok out from the rice container. Okay, let's take the cilok out with the spatula. It's hard because it's sticky. Okay, this is the look of my cilok. It's usually use like sauce with soy sauce and chili sauce, but because I don't have it, I use the chili like chili pepper and chili pepper is and another seasoning. Okay, I will pour into the bowl, and it looks like this. Okay, it's all ready to be served. Okay guys, thanks for watching.